Have you ever felt like your soul was whispering, but heaven was silent? You pray, but all you hear is stillness. You worship, but your heart feels dry. You go through the motions, but deep inside. You wonder, God, are you still near? Let me speak this into your life today. Spiritual dryness is not spiritual death. It's a sign you're still alive enough to notice the ache. And the truth is, God never left. He's just calling you deeper. The Bible doesn't ignore dry seasons. It speaks directly into them. Let me remind you of a few living promises. Isaiah 44:3, "For I will pour water upon him that is thirsty, and floods upon the dry ground. I will pour my spirit upon thy seed, and my blessing upon thine offspring." Not just a drop, not a mist, but floods. He doesn't come to sprinkle, he comes to soak. Psalm 63:1, "O God, thou art my God, early will I seek thee. My soul thirsteth for thee, my flesh longeth for thee, in a dry and thirsty land." David didn't hide his dryness, he confessed it. He didn't wait to feel God, he sought God, and that seeking brought encounter. Jeremiah 31:25, "For I have satiated the weary soul, and I have replenished every sorrowful soul." This isn't just comfort, it's a covenant pattern. God replenishes what life drains, he satisfies what pain depletes. John 7:38, "He that believeth on me, out of his belly shall flow rivers of living water." Belief doesn't just save you, it activates flow. There's a river inside of you, buried beneath fear, disappointment, and delay, but it's still there, and today it can break open again. So listen to me, don't shut down, don't settle, don't spiritualize your dryness. Let it become hunger, and let that hunger drive you back into the arms of the Father. Because the desert, it's not where you die, it's where God reveals his voice. He's not angry with you, he's not disappointed in you, he's drawing you back. Open his word, not out of duty but out of desire. Whisper that one honest prayer. Let his promises soak your soul again. You won't stay dry for long. The rain is coming. Share this if you're waiting for the rain. Subscribe for more words that water your soul.